We're continuing to answer your coronavirus questions each weeknight right here on News 5 at 10. It's so simple. Just leave us a message on News 5's coronavirus hotline. That number, 251-662-3055. Here's the question of the day.
I'm behind on my house note due to the virus and not working and having to buy other things such as food, paper towels, things of that nature. And I was wondering if if y'all have any programs to address the mortgage companies that could help us as to what we need to do if we can't pay our full mortgage note at this time. I greatly appreciate you taking these calls.
News 5's Cherish Lombard joins us live from her home with an answer to that question. Cherish?
This is an excellent question. A lot of people have it. So if you're having a difficult time paying your mortgage or rent due to the COVID-19 pandemic, you need to first contact your mortgage company or landlord and explain your situation. Just be honest with them. Ask what help they can offer you. There are protections in place through the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security, or CARES Act, for homeowners with mortgages that are federally or government-sponsored, enterprise-backed, or funded by FHA, VA, USDA, Fannie Mae, or Freddie Mac. Now, if that's you, according to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, your lender or loan servicer cannot foreclose on you for 60 days after March 18th, 2020. That means you do have a little bit more time. Now, additionally, if you're experiencing financial hardship due to the coronavirus pandemic, you have a right to request a forbearance, a temporary postponement of mortgage payments for up to 180 days, and the right to request an extension for up to another 180 days. Now, you must contact your loan servicer to make this request.
There are credit counseling agencies, even in Mobile. They can Google it and go and talk to them. Of course, there is the opportunity right now for people to go into forbearance. If they choose to do that, they really need to take into consideration the effect that may have on them in the future.
Now, do make sure you understand how the forbearance will be repaid. There could be different forbearance programs or options depending on the type of loan you have. If you're a tenant living in federally subsidized housing, or you're renting from an owner who has a federally or GSE-backed mortgage, like I mentioned before, the CARES Act provides for a suspension on evictions. Keep calling the WKRG News 5 Coronavirus Hotline at 251-662-3055 with your questions, and leave us a message. We'll keep answering them each weeknight on News 5 at 10. Cherish Lombard, WKRG News 5.